Understanding Tanning Drops, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the world of skincare and beauty by breaking down the term tanning drops. This is a phrase you might come across in beauty blogs, magazines, or while shopping for skincare products. Let's dive into what this means and how to use it in context. Tanning drops are a type of self-tanning product. Unlike traditional lotions or sprays, these are concentrated liquids that you mix with your regular moisturizer. They give your skin a natural-looking tan without exposure to the sun. This product is perfect for those who want to control the intensity of their tan by adjusting the number of drops they use. Using tanning drops is quite simple. Start with a clean, exfoliated face or body. Mix the desired number of drops with your moisturizer in your palm, and then apply evenly to your skin. Remember, the more drops you use, the deeper the tan. Always wash your hands after application to avoid staining them. Tanning drops have several benefits. Customizable tan. You can control the tan intensity. Convenience. Easy to mix with your daily skincare routine. Streak-free. Provides a more even tan compared to other self-tanners. Safe alternative to sunbathing. Reduces the risk of skin damage from UV rays. We hope this video has shed some light on what tanning drops are and how they can be a great addition to your beauty regimen. They offer a safe and customizable way to achieve a beautiful tan. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay radiant and confident in your English learning journey.